you should get A's. Okay, I don't care what grades you've been in the habit of getting up until now, that's fine, right? But once you get to college, just start getting A's, because you'll have more opportunities if you get A's. There is more cash for people who get A's, and there are more spots in graduate programs for people who get A's. So just get A's. If you want to know how to do that, you can poke around my website. There's a zillion free suggestions there. Now, who wants to be a doctor? Raise your hand high. How many people are we talking about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. So, what does it take? What does it take to get into medical school? What do you know about that? What's it take to get into medical school? What GPA? In college. In college, if you want to go to medical school in the United States, then you need a 3.7 or higher in college, unweighted. 3.7 is an A-. I wish this was not true, but it's true. If you don't have a 3.7 in college, you're not going to medical school in the United States. Sorry. You can go in the Caribbean, but you can't go in the United States. You need A's if you want to go to medical school, and I think that's okay. Because if my grandma was dying, I would want the doctor to have gotten A's. Right? So you got to show up. If you want to be a doctor, show up assuming that you need straight A's always. In fact, everyone should do that, because then you have a better chance of going to grad school free, which is really hard to do. A lot of people go to college free. Very few people go to grad school free these days. But there is always money for people who got straight A's in college, somewhere.